with all due respect, bring back the Jesse's original price.
Yes.
Hey, Shana one for Jesse into. Shana one for Jesse. 120 cedis into. At some Ghana.
Oh, but I mean, they say some of the jerseys be more quality than
Brother, Jesse all be lie.
like the one Stonebwoy and Jackie.
My
Then
brother, all be lie. Jesse ne yana den. So nyama kudu sisha or ye fake. Jesse, if you know be the one semenyon wear am, it be fake.
I just say I do 10 million. I'm on you people. Hey, you are taking advantage of this small Ghana jersey trend. Just say 600 Ghana, 500 Ghana, 700, 800. Hey, boy. You people. Hey.
replica.
Nina Togo na kaswa design sir.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
Okay, Ebusia for Hanwe Park or Rich Studios. Now, today we come talk about something where the trend for Ghana. PKB.
Yeah, man.
Charlie, when people start the wear jerseys for Ghana,
Charlie.
when people start the wear like Ghana jerseys, when they come to say there is pride in wearing Ghana jerseys.
I don't know. Only God knows how all of a sudden people can't get interest in wearing Ghana jersey. Because I mean, I did think I know the Bab said, but I guess that's the trend where they go on right
But
now.
then I guess you know how long I've been wearing it.
Yeah. But they started wearing jersey on me now. They do content
Like most of my content.
Oh,
from
from
say we dey rep
time
the festivals
immemorial.
and things.
Yeah, everywhere
You
Ghana
see?
jersey,
And we've been buying these jerseys like 200 CDs since
Yeah.
before the birth of Christ and after the death of Christ. PKB, all of a sudden, Charlie, just in a price, say shoot up call 1,500, 2,000. I don't know. Meanwhile, the crowd man friend who are Ghana jersey man, all of a sudden, say we nyanya see first match and I just in a bowl. It go high.
They go high.
Why?
Higher.
Why the Ghana for what's that?
I don't know. Like we say we they like overpricing a lot. Ghanaians we say we they love overpricing. So anything we take if demand they high, we they do 50 million and we go buy.
So why? The man, if this thing people do wear them shape COVID shields. Right now, it turn bosom for them a house
Charlie,
inside. Oh.
they know if you use them.
Plenty people get those COVID
yeah.
goggles, you know.
Yeah.
Because trust me, we all know say these jerseys you people they sell them, you know, be from Puma.
Yo.
These Ghana jerseys
Replica.
you people they sell them, you know, be from Puma. You don't say in your middle jersey where you be work aswaha.
Hey.
I go show you the girl in handle. I go give the girl business safe.
Serious.
The girl again our friend ni hammer tools everybody. I they tell you the
You know
girl
from
they
China?
do track suits, the girl they do jackets, they do everything.
Oh wow.
You understand?
Kaswahili, yeah.
Kaswa here where you just see be or then I got to just work kaswa. Ne bottom maybe 1,500. Hey,
6 million.
Ghana. Why do I use in acquire my hand saying why say most of the times we take advantage of situations? Why? Because if something can make popular small, a man for started there, people they love PKB boom.
Boom. Opportunity.
When they start with the B so
Yeah.
the bees are work from I want to work a sale price.
Yeah.
Now Ghana jerseys chide 1,500.
They say a big 6th match they come, so it be like that be the required attire for the 6th match for 2020.
One crowd who be minister be abakere jersey be the required shadow for this
for independent 6th match. That will everybody go wear. So
one or
if you
kada
don't get
massive.
some,
Who made that statement? I don't know who will make that statement where all of a sudden what the pressure, what the JC.
You know, the Ghana they go World Cup. Right now the World Cup will be like a few days, like 90 days or something.
Sporty FM, remember the way countdown.
So
they start like 100.
It's into say I want Tony CCR DJ. What the better
World Cup is that?
Charlie 3K.
Chile freaking team. Let's support the Black Stars. I say we not say the business you guys they do.
Yeah, but Charlie.
But the reality is that Charlie, we for do am with sense already. See, you know, America and Iran they fight. Before we go know when a politician go start they introduce American and Iran tax from previous experience.
Yes, from previous experience.
So we should prepare our mind for those things.
Yeah.
You understand? When you was started a man then pay, where you increase justice then says I mean say everything for go up. So yeah, Prawanachal, we they beg them. With all due respect, bring back the jerseys original price.
Yes. Oh, but I mean they say some of the jerseys be more quality than
Brother, jersey all be lie.
like the one Stoneboy and Jackie
My
then.
brother, all be lie. Jersey ne ya ne den. So nyama kudu se sha or ye fake. Jersey if you not be the one semenyon wear am, it be fake.
Replica.
Nina Togo na kaswa design sir.
China.
Then China. It could be a mukwato yellow wine. Me who me ye na star ne to ifina akoko. So now I the wear am. I know they wear am as Black Star jersey. I the wear am as black jersey because the star come out from the chest. So people with a beg jersey no yata say proud Ghanaian you should own a Black Star jersey. Me have been doing it since
time immemorial.
no be nti emara me gina we ma na me koto Ghana Jesus me wo bebre enwa nti wenwa gibi ho a ebotu me bohu mo sort out but me gina hepas mo koto Jesus bi 1005 obi aso oboton you see the way that they arrest the truck drivers for overpricing.
Yeah, so they for arrest the people they sell the jerseys.
For arrest these
for because you know if you buy jerseys 600 cedis why? Which quality
are they shock safe?
Quality na ya here.
Are they shock safe? Motsi bia just not then I'm free boma ni mu bobon. Just here to a perfume can wumpo 1 ton 1,005.
Yeah, there is simu air condition or shop cry.
Are they shock safe?
Come on. Electricity bill
mo ya da ma kotoko na how to focus o about the jesi.
Oh, I mean like if they buy those ones too at such prices, it no be bad though. It makes sense because they support the club, you know.
But you go see say the version I will turn. You know be the one way it be the club approved one safe. So the money saved no they go them out pocket.
True,
you understand?
the club in there.
When you go to our coastal lines, the fishermen everybody get jerseys so. You go do this fishermen go vest and sell them at jerseys to we dey here. With a beg you people bring down the prices of jerseys. Anyway, if you are watching now you want to get a jersey, I dey put this number there. Plug, you go fee connect them. Yeah, I go drop some number. My guy be in JC be very affordable. Drop am. I go drop am. That be what I go. But at Tobiso, let me know the price you bought your own and who sold it.
And who sold it to
at that price?
At that price
in the comment section. All right.
And how much was it?
Exactly. Into guys, subscribe to this channel. This is Paco Rich Studios, where authentic Ghanaian content we they do and drop them back to back for you. All right. Subscribe, and if you're watching it here on TikTok or Facebook, please go click the link or go to YouTube.
Share the link.
Paco Rich Studios, not DJ Paco Rich. Paco Rich Studios, and you watch some video. Click on the notification bells about more updates on every news we they drop for Ghana these days. You understand? We out of here.
Peace.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.